So here we have our natural ingredients. We have 1 lime, some Scotch bonnet peppers, white onion, a garlic, some ginger, spring onions, fresh thyme, and some allspice powder. Here we have it chopped up. Don't worry about cutting it too fine because it's going to go straight into the blender. Then we'll add our fresh lime juice and some oil to help it blend easily. You can also add a bit of water to make sure it blends smoothly. And here we have it. Blend for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now we're going to flatten our chicken to make sure it evenly cooks once it goes onto the grill. We're going to add it into a plastic bag, a freezer bag, and we're going to use a rolling pin or an empty bottle, or like an empty alcohol bottle, something hard. Then we smash down like this. Make sure all the surfaces are evenly flat so it cooks once it goes onto the grill. Just like this, nice and flat so it cooks evenly. Then we're going to go on to add in some brown sugar and some salt to give it a caramelized effect once it goes onto the grill. 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and we mix it in. Then we go to our dry ingredients, which is pimento spice powder, some chicken seasoning, some paprika, and some black pepper, and also some browning. So here we have our star of the show, our pineapple. I'm going to use a corer to cut into the flesh of the pineapple and make them into nice juicy rings. First we're going to cut the top of the pineapple off before we use the corer. Then we're going to place the corer into the middle of the pineapple and twist until we get to the bottom of the pineapple. And then we simply pull it out to get the nice juicy pineapple rings. So I'm now going to add some brown sugar into my pineapple rings to ensure that it caramelizes once it gets onto the hot grill. So here we have our nice juicy chicken breast. We're going to cook it for 25 minutes on each side to make sure it's thoroughly cooked. Don't forget to turn your chicken breast to make sure they cook on both sides. I'm going to add our homemade barbecue sauce on top of the chicken to give it a nice sweet flavour. You can use ketchup or barbecue sauce. I also added my pineapple rings on top of the grill. So here we build up our burger. I'm using my homemade sauce, which is a mix of mayo, sweet chili, and some chili spice. Then we add some lettuce. Then our nice juicy chicken breast. Our succulent char grilled pineapple rings.
Cheese! So here we have it, our pineapple jerk chicken burger. Succulent jerk chicken breast with a char grilled pineapple slices on a sweet brioche bun. There's a perfect dish to make in the comfort of your home. Nice and easy and not too complicated.